Just think for a second. Put this into your brain. If Usain Bolt, a gold medal winning Olympic sprinter, and Allison Felix, also a sprinter, were to have a child, that kid would most likely be pretty fast, right? Well, that essentially is what a GMO is, putting two good parts together to make one great one. To understand and comprehend the real story behind GMOs, or GMCs, genetically modified crops, which what I will be talking about today, we will look further into the science behind GMOs, public perception, and how GMOs are vital to the future of the human race. First off, let me present to you this picture. The top ear of corn is a GMO product, and the bottom is a non-GMO product, presenting the Asian ash borer, which has created fungus. In turn, it has decreased the edible food for the average consumer. Now, let's actually learn the science behind GMOs. First off, what makes it genetically modified? Well, adding or removing undesired or desired genes to the cell. Also, changing it on the cellular level to have a better outcome for the producer. How is it done? Well, one of the common practices you do for GMOs is a practice called gene gun, which it sends highly charged particles into the membrane of the cell, and then integrating those desirable traits into the nucleus of the cell, making a better plant. Public perception is also a very large topic with GMOs. The public is very misinformed. There are no nutritional differences in a GMO product compared to a conventionally raised product. There are also no ill effects that have been reported in humans that have consumed GMO products all their life. Also, no research has been found that GMOs are harmful to the environment. There are actually government regulations that prevent the research or this technology from being harmful to the environment. Well, how can the public be informed? Well, visit reliable sites like feedingamerica.org and the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Also, believe the facts and statements that are backed by research and study. Many of those research are done in the field and are backed by very large statistics and facts. Lastly, the implications and the importance of GMOs to this planet. With a growing world population, that means we need more food. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, by 2050, the population of this world will be over 9.3 billion, which means the farmer will need to produce more food from now to 2050 than was produced since the beginning of farming, which was 10,000 BC. That was 12,000 years ago. So the farmer will have to create just as much or more food in 35 years than was produced in the previous 12,000. If you just think about that, that is one very important reason why GMCs are vital to the advancements of technology and the advancements of this world. Also, GMCs can help undernourishment and hunger in this world. 840 million people are considered undernourished in this world. GMCs can lower the price and make an increase availability due to higher yields, which makes more product and more food for every consumer out there. So in conclusion, you have learned how GMCs are scientifically made, how the public can influence the factual information that is given, and how GMCs are vital to the future of this planet. So yes, GMOs are safe and they can save many lives. So as I conclude this speech, just think. Poor nutrition and hunger have accounted for nearly half of the deaths in children 5 years of age and younger, which is about 3.1 million people a year. So support GMOs and save lives. Thank you.